If you follow Sunday worship, you're following the Pope. The Bible commands the Sabbath. It was established at creation, written in stone by God's own finger. It was never changed in Scripture. Yet today, the majority of Christians worship on Sunday instead. The question is, who made the change? And if you worship on Sunday, who are you really following? To justify Sunday worship, you must first prove that God changed his holy day. Where in the Bible does Jesus or his disciples command Sunday worship? Where is the verse that abolishes the Sabbath? History tells us the truth. The change from Sabbath to Sunday was not commanded by God. It was enforced by Emperor Constantine in 321 AD, not to honor Jesus, but to unify his empire under sun worship. Later, the Catholic Church took full credit for confirming the change. Sunday is our mark of authority. The Church is above the Bible, and this transference of Sabbath observance is proof of that authority. Did you catch that? The Catholic Church openly admits that Sunday worship is their invention, not God's command. If you keep Sunday, you are following Rome's authority, not the Bible. The Bible warned us. A power would rise that would think to change times and laws. And yet today, billions follow a tradition that has no biblical foundation. Even the Catholic Church challenges Protestants on this. If you claim to follow the Bible alone but worship on Sunday, you are obeying the Pope, not God. The question is, do you follow Christ or the traditions of men? Did you know that the Catholic Church claims Sunday worship as its mark of authority? If the Bible is your foundation, then why do most Christians follow a tradition started by the Pope and not by God? In this eye-opening video, we expose the historical and biblical facts, proving that the Sabbath was never changed by God. Instead, Sunday worship was enforced by Emperor Constantine in 321 AD, and later claimed by the Catholic Church as its mark of power. If you believe Sunday is the new Sabbath, prove the Sabbath was abolished. If you can't, then you must ask yourself, who are you really following? Time is running out. Will you follow God's law or man's tradition? Key Bible verses. Exodus 20:8-11. The Sabbath commandment remains. Daniel 7:25. A power will think to change times and laws. Matthew 5:17-18. Jesus never abolished the Sabbath. Revelation 14:12. The end-time believers keep the commandments. The truth is now before you. If the Sabbath was never changed by God, then why are you worshipping on Sunday? If Sunday worship is the Pope's mark, are you following Christ? Or are you following Rome? Are you still skeptical? Disprove these facts if you can. But remember, truth remains and deception will be exposed. The choice is yours. But choose wisely before it's too late. Subscribe, like and share to spread the truth.